Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and today is September 14th. So do you know what that means? It is my birthday, and today I am fabulously 51 years old. So of course we have to celebrate, and what better way to celebrate than getting yourself a gift for my birthday. So with that in mind, let's visit with a few of my awesomely amazing members of staff and see all of the awesomely amazing Refashionista things you can get for yourself for my birthday. Oh, hello, me little puppets. I am Esther, and of course, first things first here, we must say many happy returns to Sheri on her birthday today. Now, if you don't know me, as I said, my name is Esther, and I am the project manager for Refashionista Sheri. So what that means is just that I make sure, you know, she gets all of her projects done. And sometimes I suggest ones too. For example, my most recent project that I helped her create is this amazing Refashioning 101 printed book. And this is many years in the making. It has over 100 full color tutorials in it, plus even more thrifty tips and tricks. It's every single thing you could ever want to know to get started refashioning and upcycling your wardrobe. And of course, it is available on Amazon. And the fact that you can buy it printed or you can buy it as an ebook is an absolutely wonderful bonus. But you know what? She not only has Refashioning 101 for you, she also has her epic Refashioning 101 eCourse. And once again, that takes you from start to finish, showing you exactly every single thing you will need to refashion your wardrobe or your friend's wardrobe. And in the course, the very last lesson teaches you how you might use your skills to create, to create your own little online business as well. But you know what? Sheri's Refashioning 101 offerings are not the only offerings she has that can help you transform your wardrobe. Of course, she has many other ebooks, and I think, let me check my paper here. Yes, 17 of them are available on her blog and website. 15 of them are available on Amazon as well. So you have a few different choices of how you can support her and also get some amazing things for yourself and learn all of the wonderful skills that perhaps, you know, my generation didn't teach the younger generations. And thankfully, Refashionista Sheri, she taught herself, right? When she inherited that vintage sewing machine when she was 38, and she taught herself, and look at her now. Today she is 51 years old, and she has all of these books. She has courses. She has literally hundreds of free tutorials over on her blog and her channel and her social media as well. So it's pretty amazing what you can do when you put your mind to it. But imagine if you have your mind learning from Refashionista Sheri's mind with her amazing Refashioning 101 offerings. Now, once again, that's Refashioning 101. And you could get the print book, the ebook, take the eCourse, or check out all of her other ebooks as well. And once again, many happy returns to Sheri on her 51st birthday.
Ayon, Guy, and I handle logisticals and security for Refashionista Sheri. And so the very first thing I want to say, of course, is happy birthday to Refashionista Sheri. You know, I hope you have a good one. You're now over 50, so for sure nobody's really paying attention to you anymore, right? Because, you know, you're a middle-aged woman. But that's kind of a superpower as well, isn't it? It really is. Anyways, I am here to talk about this wonderful little creation from Refashionista Sheri. It is my sustainable style journal, but not just mine, it's yours too. It can be, you know, anyone who reads that, it's yours. And this lovely little book, you can, of course, purchase over on Amazon, and it'll be delivered right to you. It's available worldwide. All of it, everything on Amazon is available worldwide, so that's great. And, of course, all the links are down below for you, so you can go check it out. But in this lovely little book here, Sheri, who designed this amazing comic book theme, by the way, you know, it's got her 4-step wardrobe on it, as well as here it says, wardrobe audit results. And all these other pages here where you're supposed to put, you know, your dream wardrobe. And then all this here, you can put whatever the heck you want to put. But it's just, it's fun. And it's super cheap. And I don't know why you wouldn't get it, because it's adorable. It's helpful to you as well. And to go along with this, you should definitely take her very, very cheap and cheerful mini courses that she offers now. So you can go ahead and pick and choose exactly the little skills you want to learn in her selection of awesome little mini courses. And of course, on that platform as well, you can also get some of her eBooks if you'd like. And what else do I gotta check my list here too, because there's she's got so many things that she's produced and put out there for you guys, you know, to kind of help you help her, so to speak. And right, she also has her Nifty Thrifty Gifts eCourse, which is absolutely amazing. You can make gifts for yourself. It's great for any type of person you need a gift for. And you're looking around your house and you're thinking, oh God, I gotta leave in 5 minutes. You know what? This course will show you how to go through your house and put together awesome gifts last minute, or of course if you got a little bit of time too. And once again, super duper cheap, super duper cheerful, super duper fun. Speaking of fun, are we loving my headband here? Isn't that adorable? Again, this is something that Sheri put together from stuff she had lying around her house, and she made this more than a few years ago for her kiddo, and now it's in the birthday box, and it's one of the little party favors that she has for parties. And I just thought it looked pretty good with my ensemble here. But definitely, please check out my Sustainable Style Journal. Get your copy because it's adorable, it's fantastic, it's super useful. Check out those mini courses, and we'll see you next time. Hallo, mein Name ist Frau Inge und ich muss sagen, herzlichen Glückwunsch, Sheri. Happy birthday, Sheri. It is such a happy day for you. And you know you are not getting any younger, so we must be working harder and harder and harder. Now, if you don't know, as I said, my name is Frau Inge. And I am the producer and director for Refashionista Sheri. So I make sure all of the videos are looking wonderful, and I am doing the script writing and making sure that she is working very hard for you. So you will keep engaging and watching and commenting, and of course getting her wonderful products like this fantastic coloring book that she has made. It is Refashionista Relaxation, and it is the most chill out, wonderful coloring book, and it has many thrifty tips and tricks and cleaning and laundry. Oh, that is a hard one for me to say. Laundry tips as well, and that is of course available on Amazon with all of the other print books and many ebooks as well. But you know what? Sometimes people, they don't want to be making things. They don't want to be doing DIY or refashioning, anything like that. So that is where the coloring book is wonderful. And I think Esther keeps coming in, and I'm sorry about that. Esther, go away. Okay, we try this again. So the coloring book is perfect for when you want to chill out and just relax. But
Also, if you really don't want to be doing any DIY or making your clothes or refashioning, did you know Sheri also sells a lot of the things that she makes? And I will put the link below so you can check out where she sells her things in her closet. And maybe you want to buy something she already made, or even better, you can get one of her Refashionista boxes, and that is where she will make something just for you, to your size, to your shape, to your specifications. You will get everything lovely packaged in a box. She has actually shared a video from one of her Refashionista box sales, so you can see exactly what you get and the type of things that she will make for you. She also has her virtual wardrobe Refashionista services. Oh my God, this is all very hard for me to say today. I'm sorry, I don't know what's going on. Okay, so the wardrobe Refashionista services, of course, that is where you get to talk one-on-one with Refashionista Sheri, and she will help you with any of your wardrobe issues. You will also be getting a copy of her 4-step wardrobe audit and all of the things that are also in that ebook, and you get that first, and then during your call you can show her all of the things that you discovered in your wardrobe audit, and she will help you refashion them. And then at the end, the next day, she will send you an email and a little report that has all of the links and tutorials and everything that you discussed. So it is just a wonderful, wonderful little one-on-one service that she is offering as well. And you know, I'm going to check my paper here because I don't know if I'm forgetting anything. Oh, right. She also, if you don't want to have anything like that, but you really like her designs, her logo, all of these funny little images that she creates, you can, of course, go buy a t-shirt or a mug or anything like that from her store, and that will be linked down below as well. And if you truly have no interest in anything like that, why not spend $2 a month and support her on her Patreon? And with that, every single month you will get a member download created just for you. And again, if you want to do none of that, nothing, you want to spend no money, you just want everything free, okay, fantastic. All you have to do, share her videos that you love, engage with her content, follow her everywhere, you know, all over social media, her blog, her channel. Share it, share it, share it. That costs you nothing, but it absolutely does help Refashionista Sheri to be seen. So perhaps sometime in the future, she will find the success that, you know, she deserves after so many years providing hundreds and hundreds of fantastic free tutorials. And I think that is all I have to present to you. And until next time, one more time, happy birthday to Refashionista Sheri. And as for you, thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. And stay safe, stay well, and we will all catch you on the zigzag. Okay.